Are they still coughing? In our days, cough couldn't survive in our house. When we hear one, we mix and grind akakadru and vintia and nazi to treat it. But thankfully, we now have Honeykof.
Introducing the new Honeykof, a non-drowsy herbal cough syrup made with honey and extracts of herbal origins such as ginger, basil, long pepper, violet, and licorice. Effective for relief from cough, sore throat, and throat irritation. New Honeykof clears coho away.
Grandma, I feel good.
Manufactured and distributed by NS Chemist Limited. This advertisement is FDA approved.